Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As in the previous lecture video, we have discussed about CSS Cascade, that what are CSS Cascade and how they are used in our CSS. And in today's lecture video, we are going to explore a very practical topic in CSS, that combining selectors. If you are ever wondered that how to style multiple elements at once, or target elements based on their relationships, or make your CSS cleaner more than powerful, then this is a video for you. By the end, you'll learn about how to use combined CSS to write shorter, smarter and more maintainable CSS. So let's get started. Okay, so in today's lecture, there is only one important question, that why we combine CSS selectors. So basically, before we get into the how, let's answer the why. That combining selectors allow you to apply the same style and to multiple elements without repeating the code. It also targets your element based on their relationship to other elements. They allow you to create more specific and organized styles that are easier to maintain. So there are 3 points in it. In short, when we combine selectors, we save our time, reduce our code duplication and also give you more control over your designs. So in today's lecture, our most work in our Visual Studio Code, and it's all practical work, so we will do in our VS Code. So I'll meet you in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I'm here in the Studio Code, and I have copy paste the CSS combine selector file. When I open it, so it contains 3 files. First is the index.html, the second one is the solution.css, and the third one is the style.css. When I open the index.html, it contains these types of heading elements. First, when we open it, the heading element meta characteristic UTF-8. It's the code. You have to not change the index.html. The index.html code should be remained as it is. Your work is to style your CSS as it was the today's lecture. Your main work is in the style.css file. Here is a solution of the style.css file. First is the color blue violet, second one is the color fire brick, the third one is the blue, the fourth one is the green, and the fifth one it's large size, like the font size is 0.5 rem. So when I open the index.html and when I run this, start debugging on it, so it contains this type of file: to-do list Monday, that these are the work that I should do or I will do on Monday. Do these things today: wash clothes, read maths questions, other items. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. So it's kind of to-do list. Now it's very simple and boring, so I'll just simply give its colors. Like for to-do list, I'll give a blue violet color. For the Monday, I'll give a green. For these other types, I'll give each color. So now we will give separate colors to it. So when I see that here for the H1 and the H2, I have given the color blue violet, so I will go here and I will select H1 comma H2. Okay, so here comma H2 and the bracket. So here now I'll give a space and I will write color is equal to blue violet. The color is blue violet. Color blue violet. I will find blue violet in this and I should find it. You can also change the color. For example, I will give the color this one, I have given this one color. Okay, we have to write these types of coding for each of the paragraph. For example, for the second one, here is the child, that box is equal to color fire brick. You can change the color as you want. You can choose also green, blue, white as your choice. And the third one is descent. For the box li, you can choose blue or any color. For the fourth change, here is the li done. And the multi combiners, you have to choose the font size as it is given. You cannot change the font size. You have to apply 0.5 rem as given in this font size. So it was today's work, that how to apply colors or how to apply CSS. So you will be thinking that why these are all red from blue to red. So I haven't applied anything because it is red, so that's why it is red. And when I apply all the colors on it, it's empty, that's why it is red. And when I apply all colors on it, so it will be blue. So it was today's lecture, and I hope you have understood today's lecture. And that's how you combine CSS selectors like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Tell me know in the comment that which CSS concept you like the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.